2010 Ford F-150 XLT, my favorite color, blue. We will let you guys look at the undercarriage. We did something very special on this one. It's got the stock converters there and there, factories. Then we did 2-inch true duals all the way back, all the way, and kept going and going and going. And then guess what else we did? We put 6-inch angle cut tips right there and right there. You might ask why we did this. To make it clap. You know what clapping is? We'll let you guys know what clapping is in a minute. We'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Get ready to be clappatized. 2011 Ford F-150 5.0 liter XL. Still got the stock factory converters there and there. Then we did true duals all the way back, and we did it in 2-inch so it can clap, and we dumped it right there with dump downs, turn downs, whatever you want to call them, right there. And you always want to do that crossover to make up for that, for the pipe, because one will be shorter than the other, but when you cross them over like that, it equalizes the length and gives a more smooth sound, complete sound. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Don't think this is loud, I don't know what the hell is. Again? That's loud. That's loud. That's effing loud. Looks good too. Hold on, D. That's beast mode to the max right there. Hell yeah. Back it up. Yeah, baby. Ford F-150 right there. One more. mechanic is still here. That's awesome.